This is leopard.
A leopard is a fast and strong wild cat with spotted fur. It climbs trees well and hides its food on branches to keep it safe.
This is crocodile.
A crocodile is a big reptile with a strong jaw full of sharp teeth. It lives in water and waits quietly to catch its prey.
This is lion.
A lion is a powerful wild cat known as the king of the jungle. It lives in groups called prides and protects its family bravely.
This is grasshopper.
A grasshopper is an insect that can jump very far using its strong back legs. It eats plants and helps keep nature balanced.
This is dung beetle.
A dung beetle is a small insect that rolls animal poop into balls. It helps keep the environment clean by recycling waste into the soil.
This is elephant.
An elephant is the largest land animal with a long trunk. It is very smart and cares deeply for its family.
This is rhinoceros.
A rhinoceros is a large animal with thick skin and one or two big horns on its nose. It uses its horns to protect itself and dig for water.
This is bee.
A bee is a tiny insect that makes sweet honey. It helps flowers grow by carrying pollen from one to another.
This is scorpion.
A scorpion is a small, nocturnal creature with pincers and a curved tail that can sting. It uses its sting to protect itself and catch prey in the dark.
This is giraffe.
A giraffe is the tallest animal with a very long neck. It uses its neck to reach leaves high up in trees.
This is tiger. This is chameleon.
A chameleon is a colorful lizard that can change its skin color to blend with surroundings. It uses its long, sticky tongue to catch insects from far away.
This is zebra.
A zebra is a wild animal with black and white stripes. Each zebra has a unique stripe pattern, like human fingerprints.
This is bear.
A bear is a strong animal with thick fur that lives in forests and mountains. It eats both plants and animals and can hibernate during cold winters.
This is deer.
A deer is a gentle animal with slender legs and antlers on the males. It moves quietly in forests and eats leaves, grass, and plants.